Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to find the area of triangles. We all know the basic formula half base into height, but in cases where the height is not given or just angle is given, then how can we find it? These kind of questions are very important for examination point of view, and they do come in IGCSE syllabus. So without wasting time, let's do some math. Area of a triangle, not a new topic, but we'll use sine formula in this video and learn how to find the area of different triangles using sine formula apart from the basic formula, that is half base into height. So let's check. First we'll see what's the difference between the regular formula, which is half base into height. If we have to find the area of a triangle, it is half multiplied by its base multiplied by its height. So this is a triangle where the base is given and the perpendicular height is given. Sometimes the perpendicular height is mentioned outside the triangle like this, which is the height. Then we use this formula half base into height to find the area of the given triangle. This is the formula, half base into height. But what is sine formula and when it is applicable? When the height of the triangle is not known to us. In this case, we can clearly see the height of the triangle is not given to us. But if we have other informations like two sides and one angle, and that has to be in a pair, in combination. For example, if this side of the triangle B is known to us and this side of the triangle, which is C, is known to us, and this angle A is known to us, in that case we can use the sine formula, the sine rule formula, that is area of the triangle A is equals to half A, in this case the side length B into C, and sine A, half BC sine A. So this side, and this angle, we can use this formula to find the area of the non-right angle triangles. Or in any other case, let's say the side C and A is given to us and angle B is given to us. In that case, we can use this formula. Just substitute these lengths, half A into C multiplied by sine angle B, which is given to us. Or if we have and A is known to us and angle C is known to us, in that case we can find the area like this, half AB sine C. So this is the formula that is used. Let's move on and try to solve a few questions based on this to understand it better. So the first question, it says work out the area of the triangle and give your answer correct to three significant figures. We can clearly see we have a triangle with two sides known to us. This side and this side is known to us, which is 5 and 8, and the angle between these two arms of the triangle is 41 degree, and we have to find the area of the triangle, right? So let's check. We know that area is half base into height, but in this case, because the height is not known to us, we will use half AB sine C. AB sine C. If you want to label it, you can label this as well. If let's say this is A, this is B, and this must be capital C, then this must be capital B, capital A. That's why the opposite side is marked as small a, small b, and angle as small capital C. So now let's check. Substitute the values, half A into B, that is 5 into 8 into sine 41 degrees, sine 41 degrees. So let's calculate this in the calculator. So 0.5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8 multiplied by sine 41 degrees, and that is 13.12. Correct up to three significant figure, it will be 13.1. Its area, so write it in meter square, and that's the answer. That's the answer, that's the area. So this is how we use the sine formula to find the area of triangles where the height is not known, to length, and the angle between those two lengths are known to us. Let's check the next one. Question number 2. It says work out the area of the triangle, give your answer correct to three significant figure. Again, two lengths are known to us and the angle included between those two lengths are known to us. So again, we can use the same formula. So area will be half into 15 into 16 into sine 100 degrees, and if you'll do this, you'll get your answer. So 0.5 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 16 multiplied by sine 100, and that is 118.17. Answer is 118.17, but it says write correct up to 3 significant figure, hence we'll write our final answer as 118 centimeter square, and that's the area. This will be the final answer. So this is how we use the formula and find the area of triangle which are known, right angle triangle, and the base and perpendicular height is not known to us. So this formula is used. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. It says the area of the given triangle is 75 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 75. Work out the value of angle x. So this angle x is missing this time, and this length is known, and the area of the triangle is known. We have to work out the angle x. So we know that area equals to half AB sine C. The two length, let's say A and B, is given to us. This is at C, the angle x at point C or the vertex C is given to us, and the area is known to us. So if we substitute the value here, area is 75 centimeter square, which is equals to half into A, that is 16, multiplied by B, that is 11, multiplied by sine C, which is angle x. So we'll write x because we have to work out the value of x here. So now this will be 150 divided by 16 into 11, which is equals to sine x. I just transpose this to the other side, so 75 into 2, that's 150 divided by 16 multiplied by 11. So let's calculate this first. 150 divided by 16 divided by 11, and that is 75 upon 88. So I'm getting sine x is equals to 75 divided by 88. So x will be sine inverse 75 divided by 88, and that's how we'll get the value of angle x. So sine inverse answer, and this is going to be 58.45. It's 58.45. It says write correct up to 1 decimal place. So the first decimal place number is 4, but next to 4 we have 5, hence we'll round it up and write it as 58.5 degrees, and that's the final answer. That's the final answer. 58.5 degrees. Let's try the last question. Question number 4. It says the area of the triangle is 25 centimeter square. The area of the triangle is 25 centimeter square. I'll write 25 centimeter square. That's the area given. Work out the value of angle x. It's not angle. Work out the value of x, not angle x, and give your answer correct to 3 significant figure. So let's check. Let's try to solve this question. So we know that area is equals to half into AB into sine C. Area is 25, which is equals to 1 upon 2. A into B, it's written in the algebraic forms, which is a binomial term. So A into B, x plus 1, x plus 2 into sine 60 degrees. So let's transpose this 2 to the other side. 25 into 2, 50, which is equals to, multiply the binomial terms. If you'll multiply it, you will get, okay, let's check. X into x is x square, that is 2x, and then x into 1, that is x, and 1 into 2, that is 2. This whole multiplied by sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. So again, this 2 will go to the other side and multiply with 50. So you'll get 100, and 3 will go in denominator. So 100 upon root 3 is equals to x square plus 3x. 2x plus x is 3x because like terms, plus 2. So let's rearrange this and write it as x square plus 3x plus 2 minus 100 upon root 3 equals to 0. So let's check what will be the value. 2 minus 100 upon root 3, and we have minus 55.735. So this can be written as x square plus 3x minus 55.735 is equals to 0. And okay, let me write it to the next page. We have x square plus 3x minus 55.735 equals to 0. And now what we can do, we can use the quadratic formula to work out the value of x, that is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4a into c divided by 2a. So if we'll do this, substitute the value of a, b and c and get the answer, we can clearly see that the value of a is 1, b is 3 and c is minus 55.735. I'll write the value of c here. C is minus 55.735. Now let's substitute it in the formula. So we can write it as x is equals to minus 3 plus minus under root of b square, that is 3 square, minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 55.735 completed, and then divided by 2a, that is 2. So x will be equals to minus 3 plus minus under root of, let's do this part in calculator. So 3 square minus minus plus, so 3 square plus 4 multiplied by 55.735, and the answer is 231.94. So here we have 231.94 divided by 2. So there will be two solutions. X will be, let's take one with the positive one, so negative 3 plus under root of 231.94 and then divided by 2, and the answer of x1 is, by taking the positive value, that is 6.11. And let's check x2. So minus 3 minus under root of 231.94 divided by 2, and the answer is minus 9.11. So this will get rejected because length cannot be negative. Length can't be negative, hence this answer will get rejected. And finally the value of x will be 6.11 centimeters, and this is the final answer. So this is how we use the sine formula, which is half AB into sine C, half A into B into sine C, where A and B are the two sides and the angle C is the angle between those two arms. I hope this was helpful to all of you. If you have any questions or any doubts or any other topic that you want me to help you with, please let me know in the comment section. That's all for this video. Please share it with your friends, those who want to learn this. So yeah, bye everyone.